Higher seating position. One of the biggest reasons crossovers replaced family sedans was the higher driving position. Sitting higher gives drivers better visibility in traffic and creates a greater sense of confidence behind the wheel. Even though many crossovers use the same basic platforms as sedans, the elevated seating position changed how people felt while driving, making these vehicles more appealing to families. Greater interior flexibility. Crossovers offer more adaptable interiors than most traditional sedans. Fold-flat rear seats, taller cargo areas, and wider rear openings make it easier to carry strollers, bicycles, luggage, and large household items. Families appreciated having a vehicle that could handle everyday commuting as well as weekend trips without requiring a much larger SUV. Car-like driving experience. Unlike older truck-based SUVs, modern crossovers are built on passenger car platforms. This allows them to deliver smoother handling, better ride comfort, and easier maneuverability, while still offering the appearance of an SUV. Buyers discovered they could enjoy the practicality of a utility vehicle without giving up the comfort they expected from a family sedan. Improved fuel efficiency. Earlier SUVs were often criticized for poor fuel economy, but modern crossovers became much more efficient. Lighter construction, smaller turbocharged engines, and hybrid technology helped narrow the gap between crossovers and sedans. As fuel economy improved, one of the biggest advantages of traditional family cars became far less important to many buyers. Changing family needs. Modern families often wanted one vehicle that could perform many different roles. Daily commuting, school runs, road trips, and occasional outdoor activities all demanded flexibility. Crossovers provided enough passenger space, while also offering cargo capacity that many sedans simply could not match. This versatility made them a practical choice for a wide variety of lifestyles. Safety perception. Many buyers believed crossovers offered greater safety because of their larger size and elevated driving position. Although safety depends on many engineering factors rather than vehicle height alone, the feeling of sitting higher created additional confidence for many drivers. That perception became an important influence on purchasing decisions, especially among families with young children. Manufacturer investment. As crossover sales increased, manufacturers shifted more resources toward developing new SUV models. Companies like Toyota, Honda, and Ford expanded their crossover lineups while reducing investment in many traditional sedans. The growing number of available models gave buyers even more reasons to choose crossovers. Marketing influence. Automotive advertising also helped reshape consumer preferences. Crossovers were often shown driving through mountains, beaches, and scenic roads, suggesting adventure and freedom even if most owners spent their time in cities. This lifestyle-focused marketing made crossovers feel more exciting than conventional family sedans, despite serving many of the same practical purposes. Declining sedan demand. As more buyers switched to crossovers, sedan sales steadily declined. Lower demand encouraged manufacturers to discontinue several long-running family sedan models and concentrate on vehicles with stronger sales potential. The shrinking selection of sedans further accelerated the market's transition toward crossovers. Market transformation. Crossovers did not replace family sedans because sedans became poor vehicles. Instead, they combined many of the comfort and efficiency advantages of a sedan with the space, versatility, and image of an SUV. That balance matched changing consumer priorities so effectively that crossovers gradually became the new standard for family transportation across much of the automotive industry.